In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select text correction and scroll to use this switcher next to autocorrection. If you don't have a suggestion strip on, with a gear icon you can always go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down to hit System, then select Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Then hit text correction here and manage the same switcher. Additionally, if you wish to enable suggestion strip, tap on this gray switcher next to it at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!